This is Matt, and this is a video on how to download Loom. So Loom, the popular video message recorder, you can use it for screen recording and a few other uses as well. I'm right here on the Loom downloads page, so you can find it here. So this is actually the main page, loom.com, and I will also put this link here, so loom.com/download. I'll put this URL in the video description, so you can just click on this link and wind up here. So if you want more information, I mean, you can get Loom for free right here just by clicking that button, and you can also download the Chrome extension. So it's identified which browser I'm on. It's identified that I'm on a Mac, so it'll give me the Mac version and also the Chrome version right there. But I believe they have the browser extension for other browsers as well. So the main downloads page, again, it will recognize what platform, what operating system you're on. So you can download the desktop app from here, whether you're on Windows or whether you're on Mac, like I am. And they also have the Chrome extension right here, so you can easily install that. Again, it's loom.com/download. I'll put that link in the video description. Then they also have this iOS and Android version here. If you click download here, this is the mobile page where you can get those versions, those mobile versions. Let's go back to this page. So that all that's left to do is we click download here, and then we can choose between the Intel chips or the Apple Silicon, the Apple M chips. I do have Apple Silicon, so I'm going to go with this one. And then we get these instructions here. So automatically the download should start. And if it doesn't, you can restart the download here. You can install the Loom for Chrome right there, and maybe you need the Windows app, so it gives you the option for the Windows app. As far as the installer goes, so I'm on Google Chrome, like I say, so on this Mac, everything goes to the main downloads folder, all the downloaded files and folders. Your downloads location might be different and will be dictated by the configuration and setup that you have on your own browser. So yours might be different to mine, but mine goes to the main downloads folder. You will literally just find that installer. That's the easy, straightforward bit. Open up the installer, follow the instructions with the wizard there, and you will have Loom installed. So hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Loom on your computer useful. We've gone through the Mac download, the Windows download, and also the fact that you can get it as browser extensions and also as mobile apps for, I believe, for iOS and Android. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.